Good evening. My name is Ilham Youssef. I'm paraprofessional. I'm working for Sunset Park High School in Brooklyn. I've been dealing with a student with disability for the last 10 years. I have experience in inclusion, mostly 6 1-to-1 and 12 1-to-1. I'm saying this because I do not remember exactly when I learned how to read. This is back to more than 30 years now, but I remember that when I was able to get one of my students to put the letter together and pronounce the word, I was very thrilled and I was like just jumping from joy. I was so happy that I could do that. For my reading memory, like I love to read in general. When I have time, I love to do some reading. A slow readers, it takes me sometimes, or I love to spend sometimes reading, maybe because English is not my first language, so I call myself a slow reader. Sometimes I have to read things more than one to like get exactly the meaning. Sometimes I translate it into my own language to make sure that I'm not confused about some meaning, and that's all for my experience with reading. Thank you.